What's up, guys? Back at you with another video. I just got a 420cc engine, and that 212cc, it was bad to the bone. But this is a 420. Only issue is I have fitment issues. And no, I'm not talking about mental issues. I've got some of those. Alright, second order of business. 13mm wrench, 10mm socket with an extension. There will be 2 13s and 2 10s. Second order, remove the gas tank. That's what I have to do. And here are the bolt locations. 110 right here on the side. That's one. Going to the front. That's 113. Get that boy off there. And over here, you got a sneaky little sly 13mm right under there. Get that boy out, and one more right there. And pull that out, and this bad boy comes off. Not bad boy, more of a nuisance. Can't close my hood. So this is going in the back, along with a mechanical fuel pump. Just like so. Next order of business. Take this hose off. So many obstacles. And there's a hose coming from the engine. That goes to this black box right here, which this thing you don't need. Unless you have a motorcycle and this is going on a custom motorcycle. And you need to pass inspections, then if you are doing that, then you should keep this on there. But I'm not doing that, so I can't really tell you how. I mean, you can always stretch the hose, but I'm not worried about that. Sorry. To the black box. Disconnect the hoses. Just vice grips, or you can use your fingers too. These aren't that tough. Let me get these off. There's 2 of them. Sorry about that. We've got some light now. Anyway, 2 hoses. One from here, one from here. And this, you can just grab it in the middle. These are rubber, so no biggie. Pull down. And pull down again. Easy. Wonder what you could use this for. Huh. One last thing. Turn the engine again. Find your gas line. Follow it to the carburetor. And you pinch that and pull it off. Good luck. Not too difficult. Just a little troublesome, but you'll get it. Now, last but not least, for fuel wise, on this connection anyway. And we have a victory. Yes. And this is part 1 of the fuel tank. Part 2 is longer fuel lines and a mechanical pump. Man, I'm hungry. Someone should send me the spicy noodle challenge, the new one. I want to try that. Alright, you dingleberries. I just got a jack shaft in. It's my first time using one. You want to see it? Let me pull out my jack shaft. Go. It's a biggie. It's a biggie. Yeah, it's my first time using one. this ought to be interesting. I got my gears too. Custom sprockets. Something that these go-kart places don't sell at the store. You want to touch it? You want to touch it? Oh, you want, you want, okay, okay. Oh, I like what you're doing there. Oh, you fucking weirdo. You fucking weirdo. So here's the jack shaft. Here's some collars. I'm gonna need those. This one right here, I bought from a online store called Nitro Chain. Nitro 40 sprocket. It will run a 41 chain, which I thought is very nice. I had to buy a different chain. So this is a 25. This is a 17 tooth. And over here is a 60 tooth. And over here on the engine, there's a 14 tooth that I'm running inboard, is what they call it, I believe. So the chain will go through here, and it'll go through here. Jack shaft will be here, and the sprocket will be right there, and the tank will be mounted up here, I think. So that will give me 6.33 to 1 ratio until I get the crazy idea to flip that ratio around. Then it'll be a 2.9 to 1 ratio, yeah. I want to experiment with that again. I might modify the clutch to make it a non-slip. I'll have to start in the garage, you know, on the slippery floor. Try to make sure I was recording. Yeah, I've done that before. But yeah, when it locks up, just like that, and it spins the tires, ripping through the floor. And I don't know, I want to try experimenting with turbo, because I know with cars and turbos you need a lower gearing to get good effect on it, to put a load on it. I don't know, it's just weird. And I'll get to it another time when that topic comes. That, and plus a custom camshaft made for turbos, not the ones with the overlap. The ones, that's another story when we get to it another day. So I'm already ranting too long. So let me get this mounted. Like this, don't you, you filthy pervert? Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Ah! 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 The fuck's wrong with you? People, I swear. Check this out, guys. It's been a long night trying to get this off. But check this out. Yeah, I took this thing apart, man. Steering wheel off, that was tough to get off. Took the whole column out. I think this looks pretty cool. But that's not what I was going for. I had the jack shaft, the chain and all that, you know. I had to take the whole thing off and cut a lot so it didn't drag. But yeah. But while I'm this far, I might as well, you know, angle the steering a little bit and lower the seat too. Make it have a racing mower look. I think it'll look really cool. Since I'm this far, why not? All it is what, 4 bolts, and add like an angle squared. I don't want to talk about it. Too many words that I have to think about. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I think it is. Looks like a miniature RC car with a 420cc engine. That's pretty cool, man. I can't wait to get this done. Here's my gearing system. 14 to 25 to 17 to 60. 6.3 to 1 ratio. In stock form, should get me about 25 miles an hour. Strongly. So, showing progress. I'm going to change the color from blue. I want it to match the green at least somewhat. So I have this paint laying around. So let's see what it turns out to be. Metallic gold, Krylon. All in one. It has throttle now, awesome. Just had to drill a hole in this thing for the throttle cable and another hole for that spring. I've never had a throttle before. All of you that have seen me on the forums, you know I haven't been using a throttle. I've been using my hand and that little stick. You know, the one that comes on the carburetor, yeah. Now I need brakes. Am I going to use brakes? Probably, but not right now. Notice anything different? The muffler. It works like this too. Matches up the ports real nicely. All you had to do is remove the 3 bolts. 1, 2. There was one down there, but when you flip it, that won't be of use. You don't need that one anyway. You'll see when you start doing it. But yeah, that way it's not sending fumes up to my face. It can go out the side by my leg. That's fine. But not up here towards my face, you know. Alright. 420cc mower go-kart, I guess. Deere kart. Let's check out the launch. That was pretty cool. Man, too bad the power band didn't get caught on camera though. But that thing pulls, I'm telling you. Man, from just that small little bit, man, this 420's got some power. It's way better than a 212. If you're wondering if you should get a 212 or a 420, get the 420. I need a seat for this one. This thing's got some torque, and I haven't even modified a cam in there yet. Crazy. Awesome though. Oh man, I can't even imagine. Yo, these bloopers are wearing me out, man. Need to take a break. Next time it's gonna work. Better fucking work. Alright. 6.3 to 1 gear ratio, about 3,200 RPM. Just doing a quick launch, all stock so far. Still recording. Holy crap, that thing's freaking fast. That's not even modified yet. That is crazy. Oh man, that was insane, dude. Man, once I started going, and then the power band kicked in, did a little spin action. But the bad thing about it is the steering is so sensitive. If you can see in the video, where I'm going like, whoa, 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 yeah. Steering is so sensitive. But man, that thing's got some good power. It's not even cammed yet. But first I need to port it, give it a test run, see how it does with port job. I don't know if it'll do anything good, but then I'll add a cam and valve springs. That needs to happen. I'm thinking about Predator 212 valve springs to put inside of the 420 valve springs because they have a higher lift. I saw one for about 550 lift, but for the 420cc valve springs, I've only seen them go up to 375. That's a no-go. On my Predator 212, I had a 360 lift. So, and this is double. I was going to try and do about 460 lift. I don't know about the duration. I would like to try and make a turbo cam. See if I can get Iski or dyno cams to make me a turbo cam. Whole different set of specs. Most of y'all don't know about it. Something with the duration at 50, and you have to do a mathematic intake duration plus exhaust duration divided by 4, and then subtract the lobe separation angle. You want to try to get 0 or maybe negative. That's what you want on a turbo cam, and the gearing. But that's a little complicated. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I have brakes on the way. I think my next video is going to be brakes, hydraulic brakes. Can't wait to try those. I've never had brakes on a go-kart. I hope they skid. I hope I can drift. I might have to put water on the ground for that till I get more power. Man, I can't wait. It's already crazy enough as it is. And I'm rambling too long. So, till next video, have a good one.